Hey creators, thumbnails are the first thing viewers see and they can make or break your video's success. But what if I told you that you can create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails for free using AI? Stick around, because today I'm walking you through the step-by-step process using a powerful yet free AI tool called Canva AI. Let's jump in. Step 1. Sign up for Canva. First, head over to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, sign up for free. Canva offers an AI-powered design assistant that makes creating thumbnails a breeze. Step 2. Start with the right template. Once you're logged in, type YouTube thumbnail in the search bar and pick a template you like. Canva provides pre-sized templates so you don't have to worry about dimensions. Step 3. Use Canva's Magic Design AI. Here's the fun part. Upload a still image from your video or let Canva's Magic Design tool suggest layouts for you. This AI feature generates stylish designs based on your image. Perfect for thumbnails. Step 4. Customize your thumbnail. Now it's time to personalize. Use bold text for your title. Add eye-catching elements and pick contrasting colors. Canva even suggests fonts and color palettes that pop. Step 5. Add AI-generated elements. Want something extra? Use Canva's AI-powered graphic search to find icons or illustrations that match your theme. They're free and elevate your design instantly. Step 6. Export your thumbnail. Happy with your design? Click download and save it as a high-quality PNG. Your thumbnail is now ready to grab attention. And that's it. You've just made a stunning YouTube thumbnail using free AI tools. No design skills? No problem. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other AI tools you'd like to explore. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.